If you are looking for the best bookshelf speakers under $500, you are in the right place. In this video, we are breaking down some of the top hi-fi bookshelf speakers that deliver impressive sound quality without the premium price tag. Whether you are building a dedicated stereo setup, upgrading your home audio system, or just want better sound for music and movies, these speakers offer serious performance for the money. Let's get started and find out which one is the right fit for you. Number 5. The SVS Prime satellite speakers prove that big, engaging sound does not require large cabinets. Designed for flexibility, these compact speakers are ideal for home theater surround channels, immersive audio setups, or even small stereo systems where space is limited. Despite their size, they deliver a dynamic and refined sound that feels far more substantial than you would expect. SVS borrows heavily from its higher-end Ultra series, and it shows. The 1-inch aluminum dome tweeter produces clean, open highs with an airy presentation that adds detail without sounding harsh. The 4.5-inch woofer delivers impressive punch and control, offering surprising low-end weight for such a small enclosure. Dialogue is clear, effects are precise, and music sounds balanced and natural. Build quality is excellent, with solid materials and a clean, modern design that fits easily into almost any room. Wall and ceiling mounting options add to their versatility, making placement simple even in complex layouts. The SoundMatch two-way crossover helps maintain smooth transitions and accurate imaging across the soundstage. Overall, the SVS Prime satellite speakers offer outstanding performance, elegant design, and strong value. They are a smart choice for anyone wanting high-quality surround sound without sacrificing space or refinement. Number 4. The ELAC Debut 3.0 DB63-BK bookshelf speakers continue ELAC's reputation for delivering serious sound quality at an accessible price. Designed for stereo listening, these speakers are a great fit for music lovers who want accuracy, depth, and refinement without stepping into high-end pricing. At the heart of the DB63-BK is a 1-inch aluminum dome tweeter that delivers crisp, detailed highs with excellent clarity. The newly designed waveguide and phase plug help create a wider sound dispersion, resulting in a more immersive and evenly balanced listening experience. Mids and vocals sound natural and well-defined, even at higher volume levels. The 6.5-inch woven aramid fiber woofer provides tight, controlled bass with impressive extension, reaching down to 42 Hz. Thanks to its stiff and well-damped cone, bass remains clean and articulate rather than boomy. Internal cabinet bracing further improves performance by reducing unwanted resonance and keeping the focus on the drivers. With a sleek black ash finish and magnetically attached grills, the DB63-BK looks as refined as it sounds. Easy to drive and compatible with a wide range of amplifiers, the ELAC Debut 3.0 DB63-BK is an excellent all-around bookshelf speaker for serious home audio systems. Number 3. The Klipsch RP600M Reference Premier bookshelf speakers are built for listeners who want bold, energetic sound with high efficiency. Known for their dynamic character, these speakers are a strong choice for both music and home stereo setups, where clarity and impact matter most. The 1-inch titanium linear travel suspension tweeter, paired with Klipsch's hybrid Tractrix horn, delivers clear and detailed highs with excellent presence. This horn-loaded design improves efficiency and control, allowing the RP600M to play loud without strain while maintaining precision. Vocals and instruments cut through the mix with confidence, making these speakers especially engaging for rock, live recordings, and cinematic soundtracks. Bass performance comes from a 6.5-inch spun copper cerametallic woofer that offers tight, punchy low frequencies. The rear-firing Tractrix port enhances bass response while reducing unwanted turbulence, resulting in cleaner and more controlled output. When properly placed, the low end feels full and satisfying for a bookshelf speaker. Build quality is solid and purposeful, with dual binding posts for bi-wire or bi-amp setups and a strong magnetic grille for a clean look. Overall, the Klipsch RP600M delivers powerful sound, striking design, and high efficiency, making it an excellent option for listeners who enjoy an energetic and forward audio presentation. Number 2. The KEF 50B QFD bookshelf speakers are designed for listeners who value accuracy, balance, and a wide, immersive soundstage. As part of KEF's respected Q series, these speakers bring refined engineering and clean aesthetics into an approachable bookshelf format that works well for dedicated stereo systems and compact listening spaces. At the core of the QFI is KEF's enhanced Uni-Q driver array, which places the tweeter at the acoustic center of the mid-range cone. This design helps create a more focused and coherent sound, allowing music to spread evenly throughout the room. High frequencies sound smooth and detailed, while mids remain clear and natural, making vocals and acoustic instruments particularly engaging. The redesigned crossover and improved internal architecture help reduce unwanted resonance, resulting in cleaner bass and improved overall clarity. Bass performance is well controlled and balanced, with enough depth to satisfy most music genres when paired with a capable amplifier. The rear-ported design further supports low-frequency extension, though proper placement is important for best results. Finished in a sleek matte black cabinet, the KEF Q150B looks modern and understated. With strong power handling and precise imaging, these speakers deliver a refined, well-balanced listening experience that appeals to both casual listeners and serious audio enthusiasts. Number 1. The DALI Oberon 1 bookshelf speakers are designed for listeners who appreciate natural sound, refined detail, and elegant Scandinavian design. Compact yet capable, these speakers fit easily into smaller rooms, while delivering a surprisingly open and engaging listening experience for both music and home theater use. A key strength of the Oberon 1 is its wide dispersion design. DALI carefully engineers the drivers and crossover to spread sound evenly across the room, reducing the need for precise speaker positioning. This results in a relaxed, natural soundstage where vocals and instruments feel well-balanced and easy to listen to over long sessions. The woofer features a wood fiber cone made from fine-grained paper pulp, reinforced with wood fibers. This lightweight yet rigid structure allows the speaker to reproduce subtle details with clarity and control. Combined with a low-loss surround and spider suspension, bass notes sound clean and articulate rather than exaggerated. High frequencies remain smooth and well-integrated, avoiding harshness. Visually, the Oberon 1 stands out with rounded cabinet edges and a rustic fabric grille that adds a modern, understated touch to any space. The patented soft magnetic compound disc in the woofer motor system helps reduce distortion, further improving clarity. Overall, the DALI Oberon 1 delivers a refined musical performance that emphasizes balance, realism, and long-term listening comfort. So that wraps up our look at the best bookshelf speakers under $500. Each of these options brings something different to the table, whether you care most about detail, dynamics, design, or overall balance. The right choice really comes down to your room, your listening habits, and the kind of sound you enjoy most. If this video helped you out, give it a like, subscribe to HiFi AV Tech, and hit the notification bell so you do not miss our upcoming audio and home theater reviews. Let us know in the comments which speakers you would choose, or if you are already using one of these. Thanks for watching, and we will see you in the next video.